Hello everyone. Once again welcome in the self transformation series of day 25. Yes my dear friends, today 14th of July 2020 is the day 25th of our series of self transformation. I really want to appreciate all my listeners and viewers, those who are connected with us in this series from last 24 days. Yes, my dear friends, this series, I don't know how much or how many days it's going to last, but it's going to make a drastic change in your thinking process, in your way of living your style, or it will help you to move ahead very smoothly, very calmly in any tough to tough situation. Since we are just working on the thought process, we are not changing our habits, we are not changing our way of living. So this is more and much more effective as compared to other habits. Otherwise, in all other trends of transformation, we straight away start with the body. We straight away start working on our habit area and we start with the body consciousness. And gradually for few days or months, it retain and then again we are back to our same routine. When we do anything on the thought level, that is the soul conscious level, that is the energy level, then there is a drastic change which lasts for years and years and till we survive. So this is the concept of this self transformation series. And today the topic which we have selected for our day to be imbibed or to be thought or to be carried on for the day is really simple, but it has a very deep meaning. So here the topic is be the world server and free from the web of all questions of why and what. Yes, today we have to take this that I want to be a world server. Why you want to serve the world first of all? What will happen if we serve the world? I am really happy with my life. Why I have to take this thought? And I'm not stuck to any web of questions of why and what. So why I have to listen to this series and why I have to imbibe? Now come the answer to each and everything. Although this word or these lines seems to be not new to you, although these lines you might have heard before also, or in these lines you might not be interested also, but just listen to this audio till end and then think over it. First of all, we will never get chance in our life to serve the world separately. Mark my words that we will never get time in this world to serve the world separately. And if we were asked by anyone that what you have done for the world, so we count so many things. I have done tree plantation, I have helped the people during COVID, I have provided them masks, I have provided them food. There will be many lists in front of you, and that is perfectly fine, and it should be also with you. There will be few people who will say, no, I am happy, I am satisfying my family, and I think that is a big serving which I am doing for the world. That is also perfectly right answer. So there will be numerous ways where the people are presenting that they are serving the world. But here, the things which we are working on is on the thought level. We are not going anywhere to help the world. We are not serving the world by our actions or by words. We are doing it on a thought level. And here comes the answer that how easily we can serve the world. It's a really easy process. First of all, it comes from self-realization. First of all, I have to be the one who is prepared for serving the world or not. As we have discussed in the previous series also, if I am not prepared, how can I give it to others? So first of all, it comes from self-realization. And if we go for self-realization, we have to check whether I am not always stuck in the questions of why. And definitely 80% people will say yes, I am always. 20% will say no, I am not, I am working or I have already worked. Now these things don't come in my path. That is also absolutely right. But now the next situation here is that since I am not in this web of questions, that is perfectly fine. But if I am in this web of questions, then there comes a something drastic result. If you are stuck in this web of questions of why and what will happen? you will be coming into the consciousness of your body. And whenever there is a consciousness of the body, the vices are attached to it. You will definitely come in contact with anger, anxiety. You will definitely have ego. You will definitely have attachments. You will definitely have greed. All these vices will definitely come when your self-realization spin, the discus of self-realization, will just move towards the web of why and what. Whenever you say why and what, straight away there will be 2-3 things happening with you. Some person is coming in your mind, which is as a picture of creating this why and what. Some situation will be there which is creating, or you myself is the one who is creating why and what, because now it is an habit been inculcated in you. So here comes the next thing, how to come out of it. For this, I would just like to add up one thing, that you should be just like a baby, like a little baby. Your mind should always be, your intellect should always be plain. See, my dear friends, here comes the answer of everything. In this spin of discus of your self-realization, if you sit in self-realization and recall that whenever your intellect is very, very plain, very, very simple, you are not been stuck to too many whys and what. You are successful in all your plans. Whatever you do, you are successful in that because your mind, your intellect is plain. So the answer to serve this world, to come out of all the web of questions of why and what is here. That first of all you have to do self-realization, wherein the knowledge will be that I will not be stuck to why and what. I will accept everything as a flow. I will go with the flow, and I will never be stuck in the web of why and what. And why and what leads to vices. It leads to body consciousness. So I have to be away from that. Yes, my dear friends, this thought, what will happen in the thought is, now when you have heard this thing, now when you will face the world or yourself or the situation, what will happen? This mind, this intellect to give a pop-up message that no, you are supposed to not to ask any whys and what today. You have to just go with the flow. And then you leave that thing there. And you will see that by the end of the day, just remembering that why and what should not be there in my dictionary, or I should not be stuck in that web. You will see that all your work which you are doing will be successful. You will be very light and free from mind and body. Your rate of achievement, your rate of work, your rate of output is definitely going to be higher than the previous day. So why not to imbibe this? And when you are doing this, you are actually serving the world. Yes, my dear friends, for serving the world, you don't have to do something separately. What does world need? World need peace. World need happiness, bliss. And when each and every person think about the same and spreading individual effort of happiness or peace for others, I think the world we are serving very easily. So this is the thought for the day, where we are serving the world, where we are actually out of the web of why and what, where we are out of all our body consciousness vices. We are just busy in our new plans, in our new planning, in our new creativity. Because once our mind is free, our intellect is free from the web of why and what, you will be definitely be very, very creative. Because mind works in both the direction, positive and negative. Once you have traced out that it is moving towards the negative direction, I have to stop it from going there. And once you mold the mind towards this direction, definitely it's going to be making a difference area. So my dear friends, imbibe this thought, be the world server, and experience the true bliss, the true peace, the true happiness which is within you, just by doing a bit. So see you tomorrow in our next series. Till then, imbibe this thought and spread this happiness. Serve this world with your peace. And don't try to forget to comment in the comment box as well as to explore the description box. Till then, thank you.